Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have some copies of Public Servant of Illinois, their oath of office, just in case you forgot it or maybe never took it. Anyways, my name is Rick Veceda. I'm a local trucking company operator. In the course of conducting commerce in and through this area, I'd like to make the following observation. I'd also like it to be made part of the public record. In the course of conducting commerce in and through Carpentersville and other like-minded jurisdictions which are not in compliance with federal immigration laws, my employees and I are being subjected to an environment of a lower public health and public safety standards than we would in a lawful community. Chances of my employees contracting communicable diseases such as hepatitis C, incurable tuberculosis, or leprosy. We have 1,300 cases of leprosy in this country, so it's not funny, Counselor. The chances of contracting these diseases or having bodily harm come to me or my employees in a sanctuary city is far more riskier than it would be in a lawful community. The media should take note. Article 13, Section 3, the Illinois Constitution states, each prospective holder of a state position created by this Constitution before taking office will take and subscribe to the following oath or affirmation. I do solemnly swear that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of Illinois. I will faithfully discharge my duties to the best of my ability. Now, according to the current law, the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1996, any public official who knowingly or in reckless disregard of the law aids, abets, encourages, or induces an illegal alien to reside in this country with impunity, or harbors an illegal alien who commits bodily harm on an American citizen is just as culpable as the assailant of the crime. Their dangerous and unreasonable risk to the health and public safety with respect to any de jure or de facto sanctuary policy can be said to be conduct so reckless as to demonstrate a substantial lack of concern for whether an injury results. Therefore, public entity sanctuary cities and its officers and representatives may not enjoy the protection under government immunity statutes. In other words, any public servant who sanctions this policy can be sued collectively or individually for their personal assets. If I or any of my employees should be subjected to bodily harm by an illegal alien while passing through Carpentersville, we will sue the city of Carpentersville and every public servant individually who had disregarded the current law to aid and abet illegal aliens. So consider this a warning. I'd hate to see you on the wrong side of a lawsuit. Thank you for your time.
Sir? Sir? Hello? Okay. I'd like to get a clarification. Where do you live?
I live in Lindenhurst. I operate a trucking business that's licensed through the state.
Okay,
It's your highway, sir. I pay taxes
That's
for your
fine.
highways.
Okay, I just asked a simple question.